8 bedtime habits for gorgeous skin. 1. Completely take off all makeup. It is improper to wear makeup to bed. Makeup can cause breakouts and irritation by blocking pores and capturing debris and bacteria. Make sure to use a mild cleanser or makeup remover to remove all makeup before going to bed. 2. Wash your face. Washing your face before bed removes dirt, sweat, and oil that build up throughout the day. Apply a cleanser that is suitable for your skin type, massaging it gently. Use a fresh towel to gently dry your face after rinsing it with warm water. 3. Use a toner. Toner helps to balance the pH of your skin and remove any leftover residue from cleansing. Choose a toner that is appropriate for your skin type and free of alcohol. Avoid the sensitive eye area when applying it with a cotton ball or pad. 4. Apply a spot or serum therapy. Concentrated therapies like serums address particular issues with the skin like dark spots, wrinkles, and acne. After cleaning and toning, apply a few drops of serum to your face and neck. If you have any imperfections, address them promptly with a spot treatment. 5. Moisturize. Using a moisturizer can help to avoid dryness and keep your skin hydrated. Apply a generous amount of moisturizer that is appropriate for your skin type on your face and neck. 6. Lay your head on your back. Wrinkles and puffiness can result from sleeping on your face. To lessen friction while sleeping on your back, consider using a satin pillowcase. 7. Sip a lot of water. It's critical to stay hydrated for both skin and general wellness. 8 glasses of water should be consumed each day. 8. Cut down on screen time before night. Electronic devices generate blue light, which can harm your skin and disrupt your sleep. Give yourself at least an hour before bed to avoid using screens.